Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a template of any reel. First, let's find one. You can spot a template by looking for the Use Template button directly above a creator's name while scrolling. Alternatively, navigate to the Reels tab, tap the camera icon, and then slide over to the Templates section. Here, you'll discover many options, including trending and saved templates. Saving templates you enjoy is a smart way to keep them handy for future creations. Once you've found a template you love, simply tap Use Template to start. The template will show you the exact timing for each clip. Next, tap Add Media to upload your own photos or videos from your camera roll. You'll replace each placeholder clip with your chosen content. The template automatically handles the music and clip durations, saving you significant editing time and effort. Just select your media in the sequence you want them to play. After adding your media, you can refine your reel. If you've used videos, tap on an individual clip to adjust which part is shown by dragging the white box. This allows you to highlight the best moments. You can also add creative elements like text, stickers, or filters to truly make the reel your own. Remember to position any text carefully, keeping it within the central 4:5 ratio to ensure it's easily visible to your audience. Finally, it's time to share your masterpiece. Before publishing, always preview your reel 1 or 2 times from start to finish to catch any last-minute errors or make minor refinements. Then, add an engaging caption to tell your story and choose an eye-catching cover photo. Once you are completely satisfied with your creation, tap Share to post your reel to your feed. Using templates makes creating high-quality, engaging content much faster and simpler.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.